How to get more sales on TikTok Shop, 5 strategies. Hi guys, in this video, we'll teach you how to earn more sales here on TikTok Shop. So all you have to do is go to your TikTok account, and what I need you to do is click on your profile that's on the lower right corner of the screen. Then click on the 3 bars menu and go to Creator Tools. Once you click on Creator Tools, you'll be able to see the different features of TikTok Shop that you can use. One of this is TikTok Promote. This is very helpful for you to get more sales here on TikTok, since this will generate you more viewers into your account, but this may cost you money, but it will definitely gain you more earnings and it will get you more sales into your TikTok Shop. Basically, you have a lot of bundles here. There's around 1,900 views, and you'll be able to see here that you can actually promote one of the videos that you've already uploaded into your TikTok Shop account. For example, you will be choosing one of the videos that you want to promote. It would cost you money, but it would depend on for how long the duration of the promotion would go. Another option here under Creator Tools is to go under you can actually look into your TikTok ads. This is another feature here on TikTok, wherein if you will be able to generate ads into your TikTok Shop, which means it would actually get you a lot more earnings or more sales into your TikTok account as well. Here you'll be able to see and another feature here, or another option that you can do, is to add or look into your business suite. You can go to the 3 bars menu and go to business suite. This is where you'll be able to analyze your TikTok Shop. And when you go to business content, this would actually allow you to collaborate with other influencers or content creators. And this would also teach you how to use the business content. There are different steps that you can use. All you have to do is to follow those steps, and then you'll be able to get more views into your account. So as you can see here, once you are routed into this page for your business content, it would actually provide you insights on how many or what is the overview of your TikTok Shop, whether it is generating well or whether there's things that you need to improve on. This is where you need to look into the details for your business content, so that you'll be more guided on how you'll be able to improve more for your TikTok Shop for the better. Another thing here is that you can actually look for influencers here on TikTok. If you have your own product, and if you will do collaborations to one of the influencers that has a lot of followers here on TikTok, this is another way for you to gain more sales on your TikTok Shop. Since by just collaborating with one of these famous influencers or content creators here on TikTok, it would actually gain you more sales, since they already have the followers that you currently don't have, which means that it would generate or lead you more profit or more income into your account. Another thing here is actually using the TikTok affiliate marketing, wherein you incorporate a lot of hashtags into the post that you have, and incorporating the yellow basket as well. As you can see, most of the videos that I've uploaded, I make sure that I incorporate hashtags, since using hashtag would actually add you, or it would actually use it, or you can actually use it for you to be in the algorithm, which means you will gain more sales just by using hashtag, especially when it's a very common hashtag where a lot of people use it. For example, hashtag for your page, hashtag best of TikTok, pH, and a lot more. So another option here is actually going to your TikTok shop. Aside from your own TikTok shop, you can actually use TikTok affiliate marketing. With TikTok affiliate marketing, it actually will allow you to generate sales just by promoting a specific product. So, aside from gaining sales solely from the product that you're selling, you can actually promote products as well from other TikTok shops that would offer commission for you to be able to earn money as well, aside from the sales that you've generated on your own TikTok shop. So one of this example is this one on the video that you can see. This is actually one of the product promotions or the affiliate marketing, wherein if you will be promoting a specific product like this, it actually would gain you more sales, and the more clicks and the more purchases they will do on when they click on the yellow basket that you have, it would actually gain you more sales into this product, which means the more sales you will be selling this product for, the more earnings from the commission as an affiliate marketing or a marketer would lead you. So that's one of the examples for being a affiliate marketing here on TikTok. Or all you have to do is simply get more images or more videos relating to the product that you are selling here on TikTok, which means you will be able to get more sales as well. And that's basically it. Those are the strategies that you can use to get more sales here on TikTok. One is to use the TikTok promote. Another is to use TikTok ads. And another one here is make sure that you use as well the collaboration or TikTok collaboration with other influencers or content creators for you to gain more sales here on your TikTok account. Another here is make sure that you make use of the TikTok affiliate marketing as well, since it's another way for you to earn money aside from selling your own products from your own TikTok shop. And lastly, make sure that you use or create a lot of videos into your TikTok shop and gain more for you to be able to gain more followers as well. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. That's how you'll be able to get more sales here on your TikTok shop. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.